Outdoor activities have been a part of my life. However, there is one thing troubled me for so long. Air product is suitable for outdoor activities use, but the air inflation has always been a big problem. Until we spent 2 years to created this Max Pump 2. Max Pump 2 is the tiniest outdoor air pump ever. The weight is only 150 grams, which can be easily put into your package or backpack. Now we have induction switch. When you touch it, you'll get the flow rate of 300 liters per minute. The product has 3 different kinds of adapter. Can use it on different types of your equipment. 3600 mAh long battery life. You can even use it as emergency charging device. And it'll shift 3 hints according to your electric quantity while you're charging it. Now, when I was out there with Max Pump 2, I feel peace and free. I can really enjoy all those moments when I was there. FlexTail Gear aims for bring convenience to your trip, adventure, and journey, and help you can have more time to enjoy those wonderful moments of being out there.
PowerTalkie, the smart outdoor communication expert. Communication is crucial for outdoor activities, especially when there is no signal.
Hey, we're almost there.
There's no signal here.
Let's use PowerTalkie instead.
Simply connect PowerTalkie to your smartphone through Bluetooth, and it will turn your smartphone into a powerful GPS and talking machine when there is no signal or internet.
Here.
With PowerTalkie Smart app, you can receive real-time voice message without opening the app.
Great! Can you bring back some water?
Hey Jack, I'm on top of the mountain now.
PowerTalkie signal can reach 10 miles using voice chat or 20 miles using text messages. PowerTalkie is waterproof and drop-proof. With IP67 and a special surface material, it can prevent any kind of liquid damage or drop damage, keeping your communication safe and smooth. The emergency feature lets you send real-time location and SOS message to all PowerTalkie users, getting the help you need within a second. PowerTalkie also supports group chat, as well as location sharing with all your friends, making it much easier to meet up with your team. or send emojis. PowerTalkie also works as a portable power bank. It comes with a 6,000 AH battery capacity, gives you the power you need for all electrical devices. Support us on Indiegogo today and enjoy your outdoor activities with the best communication device.
Do power failures frustrate you? Are you upset with tangled cables? We've launched the i4WAY, your safe outdoor power solution.
How do you carry the small stuff? And what small things would you carry if it was easier to carry them? More importantly, what problems could you solve if you were prepared with a few key items? We're Lever Gear. We design tools that are easy to carry, multifunctional, and built to last so you can get stuff done. Introducing the Clip System, a series of tough, versatile tools designed to clip easily on your keychain and fit great in your hand. First up is the BitVault, a micro carry case that's far from ordinary. Pockets and bags aren't designed to carry small items. They get lost, dirty, or even destroyed. Existing keychain pillboxes are almost always cylinders. We get it. They're easy to make and cheap to produce. But they don't fit well with your keys, and they're either too small to hold anything or too big to carry around. Our first insight was to flatten the canister so it nests on your keychain, but still has the internal space to carry a wide range of small objects. The cat-mounted tray helps you access and organize your items. Dual magnetic hex bit sockets transform the BitVault into a small yet powerful screwdriver. Just carry the bits you need and you're always ready. The custom gasket seals the BitVault tight, and quick-release clips lock the lid in place. The BitLight maintains all of the functionality of the BitVault, but adds a bright, rechargeable flashlight. It's perfect for quick access to light when you need it most. There are 3 brightness levels for when you need a lot of light or just a little. It recharges with any USB source, so you never need to buy batteries. As we developed the Clip System, we quickly realized that we didn't want it permanently attached to our keychain, so we added a carabiner-style clip for easy attachment. The screw-on belt clip provides quick access to your tools, and doubles as a key hook or a third hand. We designed the container but you make it the product you want. Whether you're a cyclist and need a few bits for a long bike ride, or you're heading out on a first date, or maybe you just want to be prepared for whatever the day may throw at you. Carry what you need and leave the rest at home. Just clip it and you're ready for your next adventure.